So the waste product is created, and then it helps to reabsorb the excess water. It helps to produce maintain electrolytic balance. It helps in formation of RBC, erythropoiesis. It helps to secrete hormone renin. So these are the functions of the kidneys. Now if we ask again, what is the location of the kidney? So as per anatomical location, via 9 regions of abdomen, the kidneys lies in the epigastric region, occupying the hypochondric region, lumbar region and umbilical region. तो हमारा किडनी का लोकेशन क्या है? 9 regions. It covers the hypochondric, epigastric, lumbar and umbilical region. So how it is located vertically? The kidneys are located vertically from the T12 vertebra. From T12 vertebra, it lies from the T12 vertebra up to L3 vertically. The right kidney is slightly lower than the left kidney. So right kidney ka hilum, upper part of the hilum will be the left kidney ka lower part of the hilum. Please keep in mind, right kidney का जो upper part of the hilum होगा वो हमारे left kidney का lower part of the hilum होते हैं. Now, if we come to the size, the kidneys are approximately 11 centimeter long. Length क्या है इसका? Approximately 11 centimeter. Breadth कितना होता है? The kidneys breadth 6 centimeter. और thickness कितना होना चाहिए? 3. So what is the dimension of the kidney? Yellow size of the kidney. Our kidneys are 11 centimeter in size. ठीक है? Length 11 centimeter, breadth 6 centimeter और thickness कितना होना है? 3. 11, 6, 3. Left kidney is, how will you differentiate between right kidney and left kidney? Left kidney is little bit longer and narrower. So what is average weight of a kidney? Average weight of the kidney is 150 grams in males and 135 grams in the females. Now when we come to the histological external feature of the kidney, kidney दिखने में क्या है? और kidney is a beam shaped structure. इसका 2 पोल होता है, upper pole and lower pole. Upper pole में एक gland रहता है, that adrenal gland called as a suprarenal gland or adrenal gland. Lower pole is 2.5 centimeter above the iliac crest. 2.5 सेंटीमीटर के ऊपर है हमारा लोअर पोल. इट इज पॉइंटेड. तो किडनी में कितने पोल्स है? 2 पोल्स है, अपर पोल, लोअर पोल. नेक्स्ट इज हमारा किडनी में क्या होता है कि देयर आर 2 बॉर्डर्स. सो दिस इज अ कॉन्वेक्स बॉर्डर, दिस इज द मीडियल बॉर्डर विच इज कॉन्वेक्स, एंड वी हैव दिस इज द लेटरल बॉर्डर विच इज कॉन्वेक्स, और हमारा ये है हमारा मीडियल बॉर्डर. तो मीडियल बॉर्डर क्या है? कॉन्केव. लेटरल बॉर्डर इज कॉन्वेक्स. ठीक है. So it has 2 borders, medial border, this is the medial border and this is the lateral border. Next it has 2 surface. The posterior surface is smooth and anterior surface will be irregular. And this is the coronal section of the kidney. अगर आप kidney को dissect करोगे coronal section, so what you are going to get? You are going to get a cortex, outer cortex and inner medulla. The cortex will be always reddish brown in color and the medulla will be pale color. तो इफ वी डू द डिसेक्शन, कोरोनल सेक्शन ऑफ द किडनी, आपको क्या मिलेगा? आउटर फाइब्रस कैप्सूल, उसके बाद मिलेगा कॉर्टेक्स. कॉर्टेक्स के बाद जो स्ट्रक्चर होगा दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द इनर मेडुला, एंड एंटायरली इट विल बी सर्कुलेटेड बाय रेनल आर्टरीज एंड वेन. Now when we come to the medulla, we have some pyramidal shape structure. These all pyramidal shape structures, this is called as the renal pyramids. ठीक है. The pyramidal conical shape structure is called as renal pyramids. They are approximately 10 to 13 in number. Next we have some this apex region, this is called as the renal papilla. Papilla, PAPILLAE, renal papilla. ये जो apex region में whitish color का होगा that is papilla, and the papillas are connected to the extended part called as a renal calyx. So these are all called as the renal calyx. So we have 2 calyx, smaller ones are called as minor calyx, larger one are called as major calyx. Okay. So we have 2 calyx, major calyx and minor calyx. After this, the calyx joins to the renal pelvis. This part is called as renal pelvis. Clear? So when we talk about the kidney, so what do we have? We have the outer cortex, then we have the inner medulla. The medulla consists of conical shaped structure called as renal pyramids. From the renal pyramids, we have the extended part. So this extended part is called as the renal papilla. There is some extended apical parts called as renal papilla. These are connected to the indent parts called as a renal calyx. We have two calyx, major calyx and minor calyx, and these all calyx join to the renal pelvis. So this junction is called as pelvic calyceal junction. Okay, renal pelvis and calyx join in a junction called as the pelvic calyceal junction. And renal pelvis ke baad the next part which we started is the ureter. Okay, so from here we have the ureter. The cortex region has two parts. This is called as the corticular lobe, or this is called as what? Corticular arch or corticular lobe. This one, and between the two you can see this structure. These are called as the renal columns, which are deep between the two pyramids. दो pyramid के बीच में जो deep structure है, this is called as the renal columns. So each pyramid has an overlying corticular lobe, और ये जो sinus है, this is the sinus, and this is called as the renal hilum. So renal sinus is a space that extends into the kidney from the hilum. ये है renal sinus, and this is the hilum. Hilum के through renal vein, renal artery, renal nerve enters the kidney. And this, ये जो kidney में छोटे छोटे arteries होता है, these are called as arcuate arteries. What are these called? These are called as arcuate artery and vein. ठीक है. So if you make a slice, this is one conical lobe. ऐसे करके कितने कॉनिकल लोब्स होता है? 10 to 13 कॉनिकल लोब्स होता है. So 7 to, तो how many numbers of the pelvis is divided into 2 to 3 major calyx, and they again further divide into 7 to 13 minor calyx. So each calyx ends in an expansion which will be 1 to 3 renal papilla. 1 to 3 renal papilla होता है, 7 to 13 minor calyx होता है, 2 to 3 मेजर कैलिक्स होता है. कैलिक्स, दिस आर कॉल्ड एज ए कप ऑफ फ्लावर. कैलिक्स का मतलब क्या है? कप ऑफ फ्लावर. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट आवर किडनी इन शॉर्ट. अगर प्रैक्टिकल में पूछा गया है तो आपको पहले बोलना है कि किडनी क्या है. सो किडनीज आर द टू पार्ट्स ऑफ द एक्सक्रीटरी ऑर्गन, एंड